सो ये कुद्रेमुख बेस कैंप पे हम लोग आ गए हैं। यहाँ तक हम जीप से आए हैं। सो क्योंकि जो मेन स्टेट हाईवे है वहाँ से जो रोड है वो ऊपर की तरफ काफ़ी ख़राब है, तो हमने अपनी गाड़ी वहीं पार्क कर दी है और हमने एक जीप हायर किया जो 1200 रुपीज़ बोथ वे लेता है। उससे हम बेस कैंप तक आए हैं और यहाँ पर एक फॉरेस्ट चेक पोस्ट है जहाँ पे हमें परमिट दिखाना पड़ता है। परमिट जो है वो हमें नीचे एक चेक पोस्ट से मिलता है, जो कि जहाँ हमने गाड़ी पार्क की है, जहाँ से रास्ता कटता है ऊपर की तरफ कुद्रेमुख के लिए, वहाँ से 2 किलोमीटर आगे है। सो ही इज़ आवर गाइड प्रणीत। Actually this whole place, the Hornadu and the Kudremukh valley and the Kalsa valley, it's not enough to explore the entire area in 2-3 days. It needs at least 15 to 20 days, because there are lots of small trails and waterfalls, and the one we are crossing now here. So be very super careful because these all are slippery. So after clearing that forest uphill climb, we came to this clearing. This is the view.
Sustaita means
आराम करना है. So Praneeth, who is our guide, does not know Hindi or English and Telugu also. So Karuna is only our support system here to communicate with him. But I am very surprised that he used the word sustaita. Sustaita is like in Hindi. Sustaita means like susti and thak gaya ho, आराम करना है and all those. But that is not surprise. Surprise that Binu does not know what is sustaita mean. So behind this hill there is another hill which is in the background. There is the Kudremukh peak. This whole trek is almost about 11 kilometers one way. Okay. So here we are taking break. Praneeth थक गया? Praneeth?
No.
Ontimara मतलब?
This place is called Ontimara, one tree.
Ontimara, one tree place. बीनू के साथ कैमरा सेटिंग में, कैमरा में सबसे ज़्यादा खतरनाक बात ये होता है कि ये हमेशा सेटिंग करता रहता है कैमरा का. वी हैव ए फोटोग्राफर, वी हैव ए प्रोफेशनल फोटोग्राफर. The small notch thing here is the tree of Kudremukh. So from Ontimara, the trail has completely descended and now we are crossing from one hill to another hill, and the forest section has again started. 8 kilometers from here, there is a signage. 8 kilometers.
We came only 1 kilometer.
No, it is 11 kilometers. No? The arrow is showing this side. So this side is one hill, this side is another. We are crossing in between through this small stream of water. Another hill climb started now. We need to go on the right side from here. And why this place is important? Because normally the natural instinct goes this way, which is the wrong direction for the trek. So we need to take a right from this stream, water stream. This is the first full view of Kudremukh peak. We have some clouds there. I don't know, by the time we will reach, cloud may not be there. He is my photographer, brother. इसका सेटिंग ही खत्म नहीं होता है DSLR का. Every time he clicks, then he see photo and then he again change the settings. He is changing the setting again. And this is a nice trek.
क्या वो थी?
जूता गीला. सो यहाँ से लेफ्ट जाना है ये तो बस जाए यार नहाने के लिए। यहाँ पे इतना गहरा भी नहीं है ना बिनो? हाँ okay, this is a tricky bit but we'll manage. ये खतरनाक स्लिप है, सो वहाँ से नहीं आना है, यहाँ से जाना है। So this is Vamti Mada 3 and that's the Kudremukh peak up there. This area is a national park, declared official national park by the government of India, and camping, any bonfire is not allowed. So only 50 trekkers are allowed in a day, and if you are lucky enough to be in the first 50 then you can trek, otherwise you have to wait for another day. So we are going to fill the water. It's not the route, but we are all very thirsty and there is a water sound here and you can see some water source. कोई बात नहीं, कुछ नहीं कर, कुछ नहीं होगा, निकाल, शीशे का बहुत खून नहीं आएगा। छोड़ दे, कोई बात नहीं, निकालेगा तो और दर्द होगा, कुछ नहीं करेगा, थोड़ा सा खून ही पिएगा वो और कुछ नहीं करेगा। धूप के कारण सबकी हालत बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब हो रखी है। What a splendid view. Nothing is visible. I saw 2-3 people here still there. Yeah. I thought I was alone. So this is Kudremukh. Kudremukh means horse face. So if you see from this side, the structure of this peak looks like a face of a horse. There are other peaks which are nearby. Kudremukh 81892. Time to return back. Because Binu and Karun are waiting for me there. Actually मेरा memory full होने वाला है, so signing off from Kudremukh.